It's a Fireside Chat, y'all.
Welcome back to another Fireside Chat, where we bring casual technology conversations to you. With us, I have Dustin Kaplan, Solutions Architect. We're talking collaboration. So Dustin, what's new and exciting?
What is new and exciting in this space? So much. Right now, the industry's push is for enabling collaboration, either on-premise in a the traditional sense, standing up servers, and in the cloud.
Yeah.
It's kind of the other big push right now. Letting employees kind of, anytime, any place, perform their work. Collaborate, exactly. Yeah. It's the full life cycle. Message, meet, call, anywhere, anytime.
And this is like the first time that I feel like collaboration has been delivered in the same way. Whether it's on-premise or in the cloud, it feels like the solution is complete now.
Yes, the ecosystem that's just tying together so nicely, finally, right? Just in terms of, it's one place, speaking specifically of Spark, it's one place for, again, message, meet, and call.
Yeah.
The meeting you had today is an element in a room that's traceable.
So one of the great things that we're seeing with collaboration is if you went back 4 or 5 years ago, you'd have a video room system, and you'd need all this on-premise technology, a lot of services to deploy it, and then who would you talk to? No one. Now we've got the capability, whether you've got on-premise servers and all that same equipment, or if you're in the cloud, you could bring those endpoints into WebExes, or you could bring in B2B type video. It's awesome.
Absolutely. Point-based solutions, which was like, again, that was 4, 5, even 6 year ago time span where it was like we bought a single camera for a single room that we spent $1 bazillion on, and by the time it was done, it was cost prohibitive.
Yeah.
We could have just stood up either Cisco infrastructure inside, or at this point now, a Spark infrastructure, and we could have been calling in an hour.
Yeah. Now that's one thing that I guess I had a question about. When you talk to customers and they're talking about their conference room or just collaboration in general, what are some of the challenges you see that they have?
A lot of the customers, as far as challenges right now, it's that they were either burned on point-based systems before, where it's I have this one camera that we can't call anything else with, or we registered a Blue Jeans, and those meetings exist, siloed. That's it.
Yeah.
We had this one meeting, and everybody took notes, and
It's
somebody
complex.
It's complex, absolutely. Yeah. Also complex to use, or who are you going to call?
And we hear a lot of customers looking at going, well, I'll just throw a webcam in there. What would you say to the webcams?
No comparison in terms of the quality.
Yeah.
The quality of the cameras now, especially for some of the Cisco endpoints, things like the Spark board. The Spark board, which we just saw this week.
Yeah.
First hands-on demo. It's a 4K camera and a 4K screen.
Yeah.
It's just unbelievably clear.
Yeah.
Unbelievable. So there's just absolutely no comparison to a webcam.
Yeah.
Like a Logitech, even if it's 1080, there's just no comparison.
And plus the complexity, right? You walk into the room,
absolutely.
You're like, where the computer? I got to turn on the computer. I got to go to the screen. It
absolutely
changes that whole concept.
On-premise or cloud, it's the ability to just deliver a simple. You shouldn't have to. Part of your meeting shouldn't be dealing with connecting to the meeting.
Right.
You should be just thinking about, hey, I'm here to do what I came here to do in this meeting.
Which is conduct business or whatever
exactly.
it is. Right.
I'm here to collaborate. Yeah. I don't want to deal with dialing the access code to the meeting, getting it wrong, dialing it again.
Yeah, the technology should go into the background.
Yes, the technology should be seamless. I should be able to walk in, just like technologies that are available now from either Cisco or Spark again.
Yeah.
On-premise, TMS. Book that resource in Outlook, just like you're gonna book that room anyways.
Yeah.
Book it, walk in, and by the time you're ready, punch join, and the meeting starts.
So essentially, one button to push. I walk into the room, it's already there. It says join. I press the button.
Exactly.
It's like CEO proof.
Exactly. That's it. That's the goal, right?
Yeah. The other thing that I see with collaboration is, other solutions out there. I think video is a distraction component of the meeting instead of it being the point or replacing an in-person meeting. And I think that's one thing that we see is we're able to replace an in-person experience with the solutions that we have today.
Absolutely. Again, seamless, and it's got to be an immersive experience. Mm-hmm. My favorite example, the dream is to move to Cancun and just work from the beach.
Yeah.
And with the video technology that's available right now,
Yeah.
literally today, you could buy it.
Yeah.
It absolutely is an option. You could do it. The dream is available.
Yeah.
You're a plane ticket and an internet connection away. That's it.
That's perfect. Yeah. Well, one thing, what I was looking at is as we walk into some of the customers' environments, and we do a lot of presentations with customers. We share content. I notice we spend a lot of time when we walk into the conference room just getting a presentation on the screen.
Sure.
And so I think the new paradigm with some of the solutions today are, you walk in and there's a bunch of options. There's proximity, and what are some
Absolutely. Exciting stuff. Proximity. So again, either on-premise or with Cisco Spark. It's delivered a little differently in both, but it's the same overall experience.
Okay.
On-premise, installable agent on your laptop, walk into a room, and the system actually listens for a not to get deeply technical, it listens for a subsonic signal that's broadcasted out from the telepresence unit, and you're prompted to connect with your client, and you can share your screen without the need for a cable or anything else.
That's awesome. So just you walk into the room, I click share, it's on the screen, everybody can see it.
Absolutely.
That's awesome. So it saves a lot of time as people are fumbling with the cables. Is the projector on? Is the TV at the right input? No, that's all gone.
That's the thing of the past.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
It's still an option if you wanted to do that, but proximity becomes like the soup du jour.
I love it. Awesome.
Yeah.
Engaging. It's about an experience, and people want to engage. It's kind of like the iPhone, right?
Right.
People just know how to use it, and the same thing should apply to video technology.
Exactly. It just worked, and it delivered enterprise features without needing to be a technical wizard.
So I think what we're seeing is it's more accessible for even smaller companies, like companies that have 25, 30 user company.
This is it ramps, it scales, absolutely.
Yeah.
It's from 5 users. I've seen Spark customers with down to 2 users. They're still leveraging the same video technology available at companies like Verizon, which is 30,000 Spark users. It's the same thing.
Yeah.
It's just more users or less users.
Yeah.
It's the same exact technology available at either end.
That's awesome. So I guess if you were buying or looking at a solution today, what would be the top things that you'd be thinking about? What are some of those things?
I definitely would say, if you're considering a new collaboration system, then Consolidation would be like
single vendor, single platform.
Single vendor. I hate to say this, it's one throat to choke. Any problems, it's one vendor to call, and they'll do the whole stack all the way through.
Okay.
And in this case, it's also a way for you to collapse disparate systems into one offering.
Right.
It's in the case of Spark, I hate to keep bringing it up, but it's message, meet, and call all in one place.
It's an exciting platform.
It's game changing.
Right.
Other vendors are able to offer bits and pieces of it.
Right.
Again, disparate from the same single vendors are only offering bits and pieces.
Yeah.
Spark's one of the first players in the game to really offer all of the pieces in one area.
Endpoint, the back-end infrastructure, WebEx, the collaboration, IM, and the file sharing, all of it comes together.
All of it.
APIs.
Plus APIs, plus whiteboards. That's game changing.
Yeah.
Spark APIs come to mind, absolutely.
Okay.
That integration and the ability to pull in, services like Salesforce and Dropbox into my collaboration platform that's huge. It's game changing.
Yeah, I think some of the things that I think about with, you mentioned APIs, one of the things that I think about is it would be nice if I have Salesforce, for example, and my customer calls in and talks to operations, and they talk to a salesperson, and they talk to support. It would be nice if automatically, without anyone needing to do anything, the automation portion, my collaboration platform actually putting that activity data into my CRM or ERP system, so I know how many times on average do my customers call me?
Absolutely.
How often do they call operations versus sales? All of those things would really add to my capability to deliver value to those customers.
Absolutely. And bots, integrations, all of that, integrating with the APIs that are made available with Salesforce and with Spark. That all your dreams can come true.
If you can build it, it'll happen.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, appreciate you coming out today and joining me, talking about collaboration.
Thanks for having me. Thanks for the coffee.
Oh, always. So with that, I think the couple things that on-premise, in the cloud, get full collaboration, video, WebEx integration, all those things, capturing whiteboard sessions, all of that stuff is offered today in these collaboration solutions. So awesome.
Yeah.
If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to email us at firesidechat@lookingpoint.com. Thanks for watching.
It's a fireside chat, y'all.